Want to grow fresh, organic vegetables without the mess, hassle, or guesswork? With the Click and Grow Smart Garden, it's never been easier to start your own container garden right at home. Check out the link in the description to get started. If you've ever struggled to grow your own vegetables, whether you don't have the space, the time, or the right tools, I get it. But there's a smarter, simpler way to garden that anyone can do, even in a tiny apartment. Meet Click and Grow, the ultimate smart garden system. It's designed to make growing vegetables foolproof, no matter where you live. Just pop in the plant pods, add water, and let the smart garden do all the work for you. Here's why I love Click and Grow. No soil mess. Pre-seeded pods mean no dirty hands. Perfect lighting. Built-in LED grow lights for year-round growth. Zero guesswork. It waters and feeds your plants automatically. Check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Here's how it works. Add water to the reservoir. Insert the plant pods. Everything from basil to cherry tomatoes is ready to go. Plug it in, and that's it. Your vegetables will grow with minimal effort. Don't just take my word for it. Thousands of people are transforming their homes with Click and Grow. Just look at these amazing results. Ready to start your own effortless container garden? Click the affiliate link in the description to get your own Click and Grow system today. Not only will you love the fresh veggies, but you'll also be supporting this channel. Let's grow together. Stick around to see this amazing time-lapse of a Click and Grow system in action. Proof that anyone can grow fresh vegetables with ease. Gardening has never been this easy or this rewarding. Click the link in the description to grab your own Click and Grow system and start growing fresh veggies today. Let's make gardening simple